Hello everyone, and welcome back to our mental health video series, where we continue to uplift resources and organizations in our county. Today's video will spotlight the Black Physicians and Healthcare Network. Through conversations with community members, I've heard repeatedly the importance of having culturally competent approaches when addressing mental health. With over 100 health professionals in their network, providing people-centered care and resources, the Black Physicians and Healthcare Network is a great resource serving our Montgomery County residents and leading culturally tailored care. Let's learn more about their resources.
Get that for the men.
Across Montgomery County, the Black Physicians and Healthcare Network, known as BPHN, is building bridges between the community and care. A program of the National Center for Children and Families, BPHN, connects residents to culturally responsive healthcare, addressing not just physical health, but mental and emotional wellness too. Janelle Martinez is the administrator of the program.
The mission of the Black Physicians and Healthcare Network, it really is a model to address and decrease health disparities, specifically for the Black residents of Montgomery County. Even though Montgomery County is a very healthy county compared throughout the state of Maryland, it does not fare well for the residents, the Black residents of Montgomery County. So this whole mission is to help bridge the gap, address some of those disparities, and ensure there's equity and access to healthcare services for Black residents in the county.
Research shows that having a healthcare provider who understands your lived experience and even looks like you can lead to better outcomes and deeper trust.
That is, again, that's all part of our service delivery. So what it looks like in practice for us is we have a network of about 205 Black health providers right now, whether it's medical, dental, or mental health. So what that looks like is if you come in and you want something, you want services, you want medical, dental, or mental health care, we're going to connect you to a BIPOC provider. All of our professionals are licensed at the level that they need to be licensed as health professionals, but it just looks like creating that sense of trust, like, hey, I am here for you. They're able to offer culturally specific care, and even just having that cultural competence for them because I identify with you culturally.
Program Director Robin Little explains that for many, mental health remains one of the hardest conversations to start.
In the Black community, there's always been this, I don't want to really use the word stigma, but it's been like a taboo, hush hush, let's don't talk about mental health in the Black community. But what we see is that there are plenty of people in the Black community. Not only do they want it, they're in need of that type of care, and BPHN has been able to offer that, and that helps make the community safer and stronger.
It's a holistic approach, meeting people where they are and helping them navigate the care system without judgment or fear.
They do a full questionnaire and health scan, and it also addresses any other health disparities that they may have.
And the impact is already being felt across Montgomery County. Through outreach, education, and connection, BPHN is changing the conversation around mental health and rebuilding trust in the process.
Our impact in the community has reached over 100,000 people in Montgomery County. We've also done, our goal this year was to have 2 health fairs in each district in Montgomery County, and we have completed that task right at the end of the fiscal year. So again, we are an organization that really sees that there's a need to reduce disparities in Montgomery County, increase access and equity in healthcare for the Black residents of the county. So we really have been very intentional and strategic about ensuring that we really embody the mission of BPHN.
From clinical care to community outreach, the Black Physicians and Healthcare Network is fostering wellness that's rooted in understanding, dignity, and trust. And everyone has a role to play in keeping that work going.
We educated all of our navigators to be able to be community health workers, and that helps them to be a part of a case management team that allows them to make sure we're having positive outcomes with our clients that come to us.
To learn more or get connected to CARE, visit their website. Because when CARE reflects community, healing begins. In Bethesda, I'm Rashai Sahalu.
Thank you to the Black Physicians and Healthcare Network for sharing their work. Make sure to follow them on social media or visit their website for more information. I know I always appreciate the helpful and practical tips on their Instagram page. Please help us by sharing these videos with others around you as we learn where to turn to when we need help. As we continue to talk openly about mental health, I hope that we all take steps prioritizing our emotional and mental well-being. Until next time, take care.